Selenium class 18, Selenium WebDriver Methods. Selenium WebDriver Methods. What is the purpose of Selenium WebDriver Methods? Selenium WebDriver Methods are used to perform operations on web elements. Using element locators and WebDriver methods, we create test cases. See, Selenium WebDriver methods Selenium WebDriver methods are used to perform operations on web elements. Next, using element locators and WebDriver methods, we create test cases. Using element locators and WebDriver methods, we create test cases. See here, element locators. Yesterday we discussed element locators. Next Monday and Tuesday classes also, once again I will explain handling elements in Selenium. Detailed explanation. Element locators for recognizing elements. Next, WebDriver methods for performing operations on elements. Okay. See, today I will introduce some important WebDriver methods. Concentrate. Important WebDriver methods. First one, get method. Get. What is get? See, description. Next, the syntax. Example. This is the pattern for understanding WebDriver methods. Description, syntax, example. First, description. What is get method? It opens a specified URL in the browser window. Opens a specified URL in the browser window. Correct term. Next, syntax. Can you tell me syntax, Kamala? Yesterday we used indirectly. Can you tell me syntax? Syntax for get method. Tushar Amin. Respond quickly. Krishna Chaitanya. Syntax for get method.
Driver object dot get.
Good. Driver object dot get.
Inside URL.
Driver object dot get off. Off means open bracket URL. See. driver object, name whatever it might be. Generally we use standard name driver, but you can use any name. Driver object dot get of within double quotes URL. This is string type data, use double quotes. See, this is the syntax. Example. Example. Just a minute. Preeti. Preeti, create WebDriver. Create driver object. Create driver object.
WebDriver
WebDriver.
dot.
No dot.
No, sorry. Any name we can give it.
WebDriver space driver. Continue. Create driver for Firefox browser.
Yeah, equal to new Firefox driver.
See, Firefox driver. Create Firefox driver.
We have to import.
Import WebDriver. Next, import Firefox driver. Okay. Next, driver dot. Just a minute. Type G. Select get of URL. Run the program. Observe Kamala. Google.com open na. Google homepage.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. This is example. Put mute. Next, get title method. Get title. T capital. Get title. Description. What is get title method? Returns title of the browser. Returns title of the browser. See, syntax. See, it returns title na. We need to capture that value. Variable required. Title is string type data. String, for example, title. Okay, string variable equal to driver dot get title. Enough. Next example. Just a minute. String, for example, string name title equal to driver dot get a title, semicolon. If you want to display the title, use display statement, output statement. Run the program. Observe Rahman. Title displayed on the console now.
Yes, sir. I can see the Google.
Cool. Good. Say. Next, get page source. Get page source. Kamala, what is page source? What is page source, Kamala?
Might be the details of that page, sir. Some other links.
Some other links. Get page source. Observe. Right click. View page source option is there. Here you can get all elements information also, but using this complete information, finding that element locators difficult process. That's why we use element.
Altogether.
That's why we use Firebug, Firepath like tools for recognizing elements. Here complete information available. Complete
Means
information.
all elements information.
All
Right, sir?
not only elements, complete HTML information, HTML code, source, complete source available.
So for us, what is the use of doing all these things, sir?
Without any plugins, you can find elements information.
Okay.
But this is not required. See, method is there, I will explain. But in our test automation, we don't use page source. Okay, na?
Okay.
We
Sir.
no need to use page source. Not required. Nowadays, we are using plugins for recognizing, plugins for locating elements. If it is Chrome or IE, no plugins required. They have built-in tools. Okay, get page source. It returns HTML page source. Syntax. Here also that is string type data. String. String name or variable equal to driver dot get page source. Example. Get page source. You can use same variable also, but take meaningful variable, meaningful string. Get page source. Run the program. See page source, lengthy. Next, get current URL method. Get current URL. get current URL. See, it returns current URL of the browser. Returns current URL of the browser. See, syntax. This is also string type data. String name equal to driver dot get current URL. Semicolon. Example. Suppose URL dot get current URL. Run. Observe Preeti. Return current URL na?
Yes, sir.
Current URL. Next, some browser navigation methods. Browser navigation property. 5. Navigate to method. Navigate dot to. Navigate is property, to is method. Navigate to loads a new web page in the current browser window. Loads a new web page in the current browser window. Current browser window. Syntax. See, driver object dot driver object dot navigate dot to navigate dot to of URL. Example. Suppose first I opened a Google homepage. I want to navigate to another page. For example, ICICIbank.com. Otherwise, just a minute. Yahoo.com. Say driver dot navigate, type n navigate dot to of URL. URL. You can get current URL. Already we used that method now. Observe Kamala. We can change the variable value now.
Yes, sir.
See, first I used URL, same name I am using for storing another value, but don't declare once again. If you declare again, it will show error. See, first Google, then navigate to Yahoo. What is the problem? Get current URL. What is the problem? Identify the problem, Kamala. Okay. Just
In cap.
pardon?
Yes, in cap letters, sir. URL. Okay.
URL capital only. Just a minute. It is returning. Why it is not returning first one? Just a minute. Remove. Now it is returning now.
Sir.
I didn't change the code now.
Yeah.
Just a compatibility issue. Run the program once again. I didn't change the code. First time not executed. This second time this and again problem. Again problem. Run the program once again. Only one you are displaying. Problem. What is the problem? Identify Rahman.
So,
Only one. Unreachable. Why unreachable?
Don't we need another get method?
Another?
Get method?
Where?
Like driver.get
No. Here
in the
navigate to is there na. We are navigating to another page now. See, sometimes it is displaying, sometimes not displaying, showing error. Sometimes displaying, sometimes error. This time displayed na. Observe. Observe Srivalli. First URL, second URL.
Yes, sir. Can you use close method
Just a
and
minute. Run the program once again. Displaying na. Now observe the problem. What was happened?
maybe the value is not clearing from the memory?
No,
I
no,
mean,
no.
very big value.
See, I closed that browser, even though that Yahoo page not completely loaded, not loading completely.
Okay.
Now it is showing now
Okay.
synchronization, some synchronization problem. You have to wait that second URL loading completely. You have to wait for second URL. Okay, na? Observe once again. Wait. Now loaded. Okay, na? Srivalli,
Yeah, yes, sir.
that is the problem.
So I have a question.
Ah,
So how do you use the wait command in this
that
program?
we will discuss in synchronization chapter.
Okay, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now we are not focusing on synchronization. That we will discuss in synchronization chapter. Okay? Okay, na Kamala, executing properly na. Observe once again. Loaded, second browser loading, loading completion, completed. Now observe this one. Okay, na?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Ah,
could you please explain the line number 13, the driver dot navigate?
navigate to another URL. That is new method. We are discussing that method only. This one, syntax.
Yeah,
Ah, what is the problem in this syntax?
there is no problem with this syntax. It is
Observe.
good.
First we launched google.com .co.in. Then we are navigating to another web page. Then what is the problem? Hello?
Okay, no problem.
Okay, navigating to another page.
So that means we are navigating to from another method. We are using navigate method to navigate from one URL to another URL, right?
Yes.
Sir? Yeah.
Whenever you want to navigate to another web page in the same program, you use navigate to. First we launched one URL, performed some operations, then you have to move to another URL, then use this navigate to method. Sometimes we no need to navigate. Sometimes, just a minute. Sometimes we no need to navigate. Based on our operations, it will move to next page automatically. Sometimes we need to navigate. In this, from Google to Yahoo, I navigated. Just a minute. From Google to I navigated. Just a minute. Suppose next time driver dot find element by dot link text of Gmail dot click. Observe Kamala. Run the program. Now completed. Close the browser. Two different URLs na, Kamala.
Yeah, two different, sir.
But we didn't navigate na.
No, we
That
didn't have
operation navigated. We clicked on Gmail link, navigated. But earlier we navigated to another URL intentionally. See, sometimes navigate to not required. Based on our operations, it will move to another pages. But sometimes
Right.
whenever you want to navigate to another page, you can navigate using navigate to method. Okay, na?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Next, navigate back.
Sir, can we have more than one WebDriver object in a program?
No, only one WebDriver.
Oh,
Who is asking that question? Krishna Chaitanya.
yeah.
What is your purpose? Purpose of having multiple WebDrivers?
Maybe I want to open Internet Explorer and Google Chrome in one program.
In one program, you want to Explorer parallelly or one by one?
One by one.
One by one with a single WebDriver you can open. You can launch first Mozilla, then Internet Explorer like.
Okay.
For that multiple WebDrivers not required. One by one only. You cannot open all browsers at a time. Okay na?
Okay.
Say we can't create multiple WebDrivers in a program. And one more thing, no use also. See, next method, navigate back.
One WebDriver, it is good enough to do multiple operations, sir?
Multiple operations means?
Like navigate to
Yes,
open.
Suppose first you navigate to another page. Suppose whenever you want to come back, navigate back. Next, navigate to another URL. See, n number of times you can navigate. Navigate to, navigate back if required.
Okay.
See, navigate back. Navigate back. You can easily observe you can easily identify the purpose. Tell me the purpose of this navigate description for navigate back method. Preeti. Krishna Chaitanya. Navigate back.
It moves back to the previous page.
Previous. Okay. It moves a single item back in the browser history. It moves a single item back in the browser history. Syntax. Driver object dot navigate dot back. Example. say. What is the previous example? Navigate to Yahoo. You take this example. Driver.get. Again, driver dot navigate dot back. Next, display. See three outputs. Tushar. What are the three outputs?
The first one is the first URL, the Google.
Google. First URL, Google. Second URL,
Yahoo.
third URL.
And then the third one, Google.
Again Google. Okay. Observe.
So I have
Now navigate back. Observe, Preeti, three outputs.
Yes, sir.
Launched Google, navigate to Yahoo, navigate back Google. Srivalli, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Next.
so I have a question. In case if you navigate to like 4 or 5 URL, so if I use the if I navigate like 5 URL, and then if I use navigate back method, will it take you to the most recent one, or can I go to any URL by typing the URL name?
What is your purpose? You are going, you are navigating to another URL. Next back.
And without going back, from that Yahoo.
Yes, without going back, you can navigate to another one or another same Google.
Yeah, if I use the back.
If you no need to use this back method, you can navigate to another URL.
Okay.
Yes, see, alternate is there. Observe, suppose I want same output, Google, Yahoo, Google, without this navigate to back. Then how to achieve that? Suppose navigate to back. Remove this one. Dot run the program. Observe, Tushar. Same outputs na.
Yes, sir.
See, navigate back method not mandatory. You can use navigate to once again. Just alternates. Okay na, Kamala?
Sir.
Same output you can achieve with navigate to only. Just method is there, alternates, not mandatory to use. Next, navigate forward also same, alternate. Navigate forward. Navigate dot forward.
So to do this operation, we have to go one step back, right, sir?
Where?
Navigate forward means to do this operation, first we have to go one step back, right?
Why?
Sir?
Why back?
Okay. We can directly from existing page to we can.
No. Directly not not from existing page. First to, then first back. Yes, back required.
Yes.
Yes, back mandatory. Otherwise, no forward na.
Sir.
No meaning of forward. Okay. Tell me, Preeti, what is navigate forward method? Description. Guess the description. You know the back method?
Yeah, it moves a single item forward in the browser history.
Good. It moves single item forward in the browser history. Kamala, whenever you want to use this forward method, before this back is mandatory, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, no usage of this method, no meaning.
Yes.
Okay, syntax. Driver object dot navigate dot forward. Driver object dot navigate dot forward. Example. Observe. Here we didn't use back method. Now where used back method? In the previous example. Just a minute. Here back available. Say first Google, next Yahoo, next back to Google, next again forward to Yahoo. Driver dot navigate forward. Say four outputs. What are the four outputs, Tushar?
First is start from the Google and then going to Yahoo. And then again going back to Google. And then again going forward to Yahoo.
Yahoo. Back to Google, again forward to Yahoo. Run the program. Yahoo, back Google, forward Yahoo. Observe all four outputs, Srivalli. Google, Yahoo, Google, Yahoo.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Next. Kamala, I want same output without using back and forward methods. Without using back and forward. No back, no forward. I want same outputs. Google, Yahoo, Google, Yahoo.
Navigate to
Yahoo. Okay. Next. Again navigate to.
Navigate to. Then it will go back.
Again navigate to. Navigate to this one.
Google. again navigate to Yahoo.
Yahoo. Just alternates. See, previous output Google Yahoo.
Yeah.
This output, this program outputs also same. Launching Google Yahoo. Okay, na?
Sir.
Next, refresh method. Navigate refresh. Navigate refresh. What is the purpose? Guess the functionality of this method, Kamala.
It moves
no moving.
It moves that.
No moving. Moving is different. Refresh is different.
Refresh means whatever the update we did on the current page, we can view it.
View it, okay. What is the purpose of this method? It refreshes the current web page, na?
Yes, sir.
Refresh the current web page. Driver dot syntax. See, same page. Driver dot navigate to navigate refresh. After refresh, same page, na? Same page. Just a minute, why it is showing again declaration not.
Yeah.
Run the program. Same google.com. Just refresh.
Purpose of this operation, sir?
See, sometimes if any operations are not closed or partially hanged the web page, that time use this refresh method. While performing operations on any web page, if any partial hanging the web page, that time you can refresh that one. Generally, observe the manual operation. When we refresh our browser, when we refresh Kamala, manual operation.
Not sure, sir.
Not sure. Preeti, when we refresh your browser,
whenever it is hang up.
When it is hang up, you try refresh. Suppose still it is not refreshing, then restart the browser. That is different. Next, close method. Close.
Sir, is refresh is a sub method of navigate method?
Just a minute. This navigate is property. Refresh is method.
Okay.
Not method dot method. Property dot method. See, observe.
Property also have parentheses?
Yes. Driver is object. This is property, this is method.
Element dot property dot method, sir.
Pardon?
Element dot.
Not element,
property.
object.
Okay, it's object.
Object dot property dot method. That is one. Observe that method syntax. Method.
Yes, sir.
Observe that. Observe that one. Method syntax in Java. See, regular syntax. Object dot method. This is a regular syntax. Not only in Java, you take any programming language. Next, any other syntaxes, Rahman, object dot method,
Object dot property dot method.
Object dot property dot method. Object dot property dot method. Next, any other?
Class dot method.
Pardon?
Class dot method.
Yes, class dot method.
Dot property dot method.
Oh, only these three we use. Object method, object property method, class method. Come to 9. Close method. Close. What is close method? We already used Krishna Chaitanya. We already used this method. I think
Close the current browser.
It closes the focused browser or current browser.
So if we want to go to like declare like open a Internet Explorer page, we need to close that Firefox browser first.
Yes, we need to. That we will discuss later. You don't focus on that concept. Now only focus on WebDriver methods.
Okay.
Without closing Firefox browser, how you launch Internet Explorer?
We can open more than one browser at a time.
More than one same browsers, na? Not different browsers, na?
Like Internet Explorer is different, Mozilla Firefox browser is different.
Different. How you open two different browsers at a time?
That's what my question is.
First of all, the topic is not relevant. The topic is not relevant. That we will discuss in cross browser testing chapter. Now we are in WebDriver methods. In this chapter, we are using only single browser, that is Mozilla Firefox only. But methods are common for all browsers.
Okay.
You don't concentrate on other browsers, multiple browsers, etc. You focus on WebDriver methods using Mozilla Firefox browser. But these methods are common for all browsers. Methods won't change now. Krishna Chaitanya. Methods won't change for methods won't change. Next, element locators also won't change now.
Yeah.
Element locators common. Next, WebDriver methods also common. Now focus on WebDriver methods. Your questions related to cross browser testing that we will discuss in cross browsing testing chapter.
Okay.
See, it closes the focused browser.
Focused browser.
Focused.
Browser. Current browser.
Current means current to focused. Any difference? Any difference, Kamala? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Current browser means working browser. Focused browser means selected browser. Any difference?
I don't know, sir. No, same, sir.
Same. See, to close, it closes the focused browser. Focused or current, same. Next, syntax. Driver object dot close. Okay. Example. Driver dot close. First launch Google browser. Next, close the browser. Run the program. Launched and closed. Did you observe, Tushar?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Run the program. Browser launched and waiting 10 seconds. Closed. Observe Kamala. Thread dot sleep. This is waiting 10,000 milliseconds. 1,000 milliseconds equal to 1 second. Launching the browser. Next, wait 10 seconds. Next, close. Now you don't concentrate on this wait that we will discuss in synchronization chapter. Now you don't concentrate. Okay. Close. Next, quit method. Quit. See, today we will discuss important methods only. So many methods available. These are regularly using methods. Quit method. What is the quit method? It closes all browsers. It closes all browsers that opened by WebDriver during execution. It closes all browsers that opened by WebDriver during execution. Syntax. Driver object dot close.
It quits,
Sorry, quit.
not close.
Okay. Quit. Earlier, I think Kamala asked, here in this scenario, Kamala,
Sir,
one more syntax you told now. What is that one more syntax?
class dot property dot method.
Just a minute. Classes have properties.
No, sir.
Only objects have properties and methods.
Methods. Yeah.
Okay, na?
Yes.
See example. I will show an example. Just a minute. I will send these examples to you and you can execute. Just a minute. Launch this page. Okay. After launching, observe Rahman. Click this sign. Say first launch this login page. Next click sign in. Another URL na? Another browser na?
Yes, sir.
Another browser.
Yes.
See,
Yes, sir.
it is loading this sign in page in another browser window, not in the same browser. I want to click this sign in link. Tell me the WebDriver statement. WebDriver statement, Rahman. I want to click that sign in link in that login page.
Driver dot find element of by now locator,
that is link na. You can use either link text
link
or
text.
partial link text. Easy.
Link text.
Link text. Link text is visible. What is the
Value.
link text value? Sign
in.
Space in. Okay. Sign in. Sign in.
Space.
Operation click. Okay. Next, then you will get another browser window. Next, driver dot. Okay, leave that close method. We'll check that one. Close method. Only it closes focused browser. Run the program. Launching another browser. One browser only closed. Observe Kamala. Only one browser closed. First browser closed. First browser only focused. Login page. Sign in. This one only focused. Next, use quit method. Use quit method. Run. Two browsers. What is the problem? Null point exception. Observe Krishna Chaitanya. It is showing null pointer exception. Just a minute. Run the program. Still, what is the problem, Krishna Chaitanya? Why it is showing exception? Earlier it closed na.
Close is different, quit is different, maybe.
Earlier I used close only one browser, quit. What is the problem?
It is trying to close all browsers at one time.
One time after launching that two browsers only now. Just a minute.
Organization.
So I think first we need to use close method, then quit.
No. You can directly use quit method. Otherwise, no use of quit na. What is the problem? Just a minute. Same problem.
Maybe we are not entering any value and closing.
Not required. Value not required. Closing, but it's also showing error. Browsers closed na, observe. Browsers also closing. Observe. Browsers closing after 7 seconds. Browsers closed na.
Yes.
But still error. Okay, I will check it. Login page. Suppose close. One browser closed. Next, quit. Two browsers. Two browsers closed, but some error. Okay, this I will check it. Syntax same.
Sir, as per the definition, quit definition, it is saying that current browser it is gonna to quit, right?
No, all opened, including current browser.
Okay.
All
So it is when we are clicking on the sign in that link. So is it considered as a page?
It is loading in another page na. That is that web page design. Loading another page, another another browser window. Observe. Click the. Just a minute. Login. Click this sign in. Another window na.
Yes.
See, some problem is there. You try to execute same syntax in your machine. Here it is closing the all browsers, but error showing. I will check it. Next.
What happens if the browsers are already open and run this
already
program?
open? See, that is, if it is UFT, you can work with already opened browsers. But in Selenium, only driver has to launch and driver has to perform operations and driver has to close. Suppose if already open, it won't work. For example, observe, first statement not available. Okay na?
Okay.
You manually set that one. Manually. You set that base state. If it is QTP, UFT, formerly QTP, you can set base state manually. Now observe this login page available now.
Yes.
Now what is the next operation? Click on
We
sign
need to
in
run.
link. Error na.
Mm-hmm.
It only launched blank browser, blank URL. We cannot set the base state in Selenium WebDriver.
If browser already open and the driver.get is also there, then it's going to open it again.
Again. See.
Okay.
Suppose, just a minute. Now browser launch statement is there na blank URL. You launch that blank one. Just a minute. Set blank. Observe. Blank browser available na.
Yes, sir.
Run the program. Again launch it na.
Yeah.
See, we cannot set that one. Okay. Next, you try. You see if you have any ideas or queries, you try in your mission. Whenever you find any new concept or any trouble, you face any trouble, mail me. Next, methods on elements. Important one, find element. Tushar, what is the purpose of find element method?
Try to locate any object in the web page.
Any object. Just a minute. Kamala?
It used to find a particular element in that particular class.
It particular element, particular class, terms confusing. Just a minute. Just a minute. Otherwise, Gmail. What is that one URL? Find element. It finds the first element within the current page using the given locator. It finds the first element, top left to bottom right. First element, find the elements. Find elements method also there, that I will explain in element handling in Selenium chapter, Monday chapter, find elements also there. That finds all elements. This find element only first element. It finds the first element within the current page. Within the current page, using the given locator. Observe syntax: driver dot find element of by dot element locator of value. Syntax. Observe Kamala. Just a minute. Run. Will launch Gmail homepage. Now I want to enter. I want to click this button. Okay, without entering value, if you try to click the button, it will show error message. Forget about that. I want to click this next button. Tell me, Tushar, statement. I want to click that next button in Gmail homepage.
It's driver
dot find element by dot take the locator for that one. Locator. Which one is suitable locator? Next. Just a minute. Button. ID is there na?
Yes, sir. Input ID.
ID. What is ID value?
Next.
Just a minute. By dot ID of ID value is next. Continue. Operation click. Run the program. Operating na. Clicking on that button na.
Yes, sir.
Say, observe Kamala. It finds the first element within the current page using given locator. Here in this scenario, next is the only button in this page. Next is the only button in this page. Only one element, not multiple elements. Isn't it?
Yeah.
See, first element, next, last element also next. See, it
Next.
it finds first element. Here only one element. Okay, it finds that element. Suppose with same locator value, multiple elements are there. I think yesterday, just a minute. Multiple elements are there. Where we find that one? In this login page. If it is only one element, it operates that element. If multiple elements with same element locator value, then first element. It recognizes first element. Observe that one. See, in this page, I want to operate this edit box. Just a minute. A, B, C, D. Second edit box, X, Y, Z. Two edit boxes are there. Login username, password. Just a minute. Take the locator. Name, okay. Class, text box color. Okay. Tag name. Suppose I am using tag name. What is the tag name value? Input. Input. Next, send keys A, B, C, D. Observe, Srivalli. In this page,
Yes, sir.
two edit boxes available. Two edit boxes. I'm going to use a tag name as element locator. Here, tag name input tag. Using this input tag, you can find two elements now in this page.
Yes, sir.
Then, if we use this tag name, what will happen? It recognizes first element now.
First. Yes, sir.
What is
For
the first
username.
element?
Username.
Username. Observe. Just a minute. Run the program. Observe Kamala. Final conclusion. If it is single element available, then it recognizes that element. If multiple elements available with same locator value, then
The tag name, sir.
what is tag name? Krishna Chaitanya, continue. If single element available, it operates that element. If multiple elements available, then
It operates on the first element.
yes, it operates first element. If multiple items available with same element locator value, then it operates first element. Here first element means, see, most of the times we will have single element only. If any multiple elements available, that time it recognizes first element. But you can avoid that one, that problem, Srivalli. Instead of tag name, you choose another locator, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Next, send keys method. Send keys. What is the purpose of send keys method, Kamala? Send keys. Tushar.
So it's typing one character at a time.
Starting one character. What is one character?
Basically, it's typing.
Typing one character. That is not the
No.
criteria. Okay, Rahman, enter value. Kamala, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir, I can hear you, sir.
Okay, cool. What is send keys method? What is the functionality? It enters a value into edit box na.
Edit box.
Enters a value into edit box or text box. Syntax. First find element required, then driver dot find element of by dot locator element locator value next send keys next input value semicolon. Example, suppose earlier there is a Gmail one. Launch Gmail, Gmail homepage. Just a minute. Run. It is taking this one. Just a minute. Run. Okay. Now enter a value into this edit box. Enter a value into edit box. Say driver dot find element by dot suppose id value id value. Just a minute. id email e capital email email suppose send keys India. Run the program. Observe Preeti, value entered na.
Yes, sir.
Value entered. Next, clear method. Clear. It clears the value from an edit box. Clears the value. Syntax same. Instead of send keys, use clear method. Dot clear. First enter value. Next clear the value. Run the program. Cleared. Just identify. Observe the execution process. Run the program once again. Just a minute. Okay. Observe, Kamala. A value entered. Next cleared na.
Clear. Yes.
See example. This one. Next, click method. We already used that click method. Next, Rahman. Yesterday I explained one more syntax na. Yesterday, one more syntax for finding element. Just observe.
XPath?
No. The XPath is locator different.
Locator.
Observe this one. This is one syntax. Okay, value entered. See, instead of this one, another syntax I explained na. Suppose if you want to perform multiple operations on any element, first you store object reference, then perform operations one by one. See, in this statement, two functionalities. One is recognizing the object, then performing operation on that object. Instead of that, you split the syntax. First recognize the object and store that reference, then perform operations one by one. Instead of this one, you can use
Web element.
Who is telling?
Srivaji.
Srivalli, continue. Web element.
And object name, email.
Element name. You can use any name, ABC also, but use meaningful name. Equal to
driver dot find element.
Driver dot find element.
By dot
Locator of locator value.
Email.
This is just recognizing the object, recognizing the element and storing that reference to this email. Import this one. Next, perform operations on this element directly. Suppose email dot
Send keys.
send keys. You can enter value. Suppose same value. Run the program. Same operation. Okay. Okay, na Tushar? When we go for this syntax,
You have to use type multiple input.
multiple input, not multiple input. When we go for this second syntax, Preeti,
We do multiple operations on the same element.
yes, whenever we want to perform multiple operations on the same element, you use this second syntax. Otherwise, you can use first syntax also. But in every operation, you need to write find element means recognizing object and performing operation. Okay. Next, click method. Click. What is click method, Krishna Chaitanya? What is click method?
It clicks on the particular element.
What is that particular element? It clicks an element. What is that element? Generally, we click
Buttons, links.
buttons, links.
Radio box.
Radio button is click. Okay, we will check that in element handling chapter. Buttons, links. Syntax. Example. Syntax, example. Syntax. Say find element. Next, just click. See here, next button is there. Next button. You can apply click operation. Click operation. Run. See, click. See, earlier we used click method on links also. Next, is enabled method. Is enabled. E capital. Is enabled. What is the purpose of this method, Kamala? Is enabled. Guess the functionality of this method.
Yes, that particular button is available, sir. For
Button,
operation
not only button, any element.
is available.
Any element. It checks. Available is different. Suppose available but disabled.
Yeah, but it checks the
Checks whether
functionality.
the element is in enabled state or not. It checks whether the element, not only button, element is in enabled. enabled state or not. It returns Boolean result, logical result, true or false, like true or false. See, returns Boolean result. It checks and returns Boolean variable name equal to this is a syntax. Boolean variable name equal to same driver dot find element locator value dot is enabled is enabled. Example, observe Krishna Chaitanya. Now I want to check this button, next button is in enabled state or not. After launching the Gmail homepage, this button is in enabled state or not. Is in enabled state. Instead of click, use enabled. Is enabled. Is enabled. Boolean.
It returns
Value na. Suppose Boolean A equal to what is the output?
enable
Observe this one, true. Run the program. True. Next, same series of methods. Is series is displayed. Is displayed. Kamala, what is the functionality of is displayed?
It shows the result, sir.
Result. What is the result?
What?
No, it is related to element only. It checks if the element is displayed or not. See, checks if the element is displayed or not, the current web page. Same, it returns Boolean result. Syntax Boolean, just a minute. Instead of is displayed, instead of is enabled, is displayed. Run the program. True. Now tell me, Srivalli, what is the difference between is displayed and enabled? Is enabled?
Yeah, is enabled checks whether the element is in enable state or not.
But displayed, it checks the existence of the element.
Existence
Object exists or not in the current web page. Suppose object exists but in disabled state, so that time enabled status false.
False.
Next.
Sir,
Ah,
could you please run the program once more?
run the program. Just a minute.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Running. What is the problem, Preeti?
No, I didn't get that in the first place, so that is the reason I asked you to run the program.
See, true.
No, sir. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Next. One more is selected also there. Is selected. But we use this method on is selected. Observe Krishna Chaitanya. What is the purpose of this method? Is selected. It checks if the element is checked or not. Is selected or not. Where we use this method?
Checkbox.
Checkboxes. Just a minute. Is selected.
Radio button, sir?
We'll check just a minute. Example. See, first checkbox. Multiple checkbox. This is the default browser. Launch this page and check status of second checkbox. First launch this page. And check the status. Yesterday we used XPath for that element na. Show this second one. Observe here tag duplicate, name also duplicate. Fourth one, same name, same tag. Third one, same. So go for XPath. Second one. I want to check status of this second checkbox. Dot is selected. Semicolon. What is the output, Rahman? Expected output?
So did you select it? No, is it false?
False. Good. First time false. Next, select that one. Select. Just a minute. How to select? What is the operation for select, Kamala? Next, again check that one. Second time, true. Observe, Preeti. What is
Yes, sir.
what is the purpose of these steps? First, launch that page, then check the selected status of second checkbox, then select the checkbox, again check the status of second checkbox. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Run the
Sir,
program.
but why the third, why the first output is false, sir?
First is selected. Whenever you launch this page, just a minute, just a minute. You comment this one. Observe manually. Just launch that page. Observe that second checkbox is selected or not.
Yeah, it is not selected.
Not selected means it returns Boolean result, true or false. Not selected means true or false.
Okay, so first we are checking that it is selected or not,
Yes,
right?
first after launching, first we are checking that checkbox, then check the checkbox and again check the status.
Okay.
See, remove this comment, remove block comment, run the program. Observe false, true. Say next, last method for the day. Two or three other methods also there that I will explain in elements handling in Selenium chapter. Today these 18 methods. Handling elements in Selenium. One chapter is there, handling elements in Selenium, important chapter that I will explain in Monday and Tuesday. 2 classes required. Say, maximize the browser. Browser maximize. Here one small assignment to you, Kamala. Manage window dot maximize. Here one small assignment. You have to identify these 3 keywords. Okay, you send to my email ID. Here three levels available na. With the driver object, total 4 levels. Up to 3 we discussed. Properties like that.
Okay.
Say 2, 3.
2.
Here 4 na. 4. Just a minute. Syntax. Description I will explain. Syntax. Driver object dot total how many units?
4, sir.
4 keywords.
4.
You need
Yes.
to identify the keywords. That is assignment for you.
Okay, sir.
One is driver. Next, what are the remaining 3? Next, description. What is the? It maximizes the browser window.
Sir? So this assignment is for only her, or how it works?
Yes,
actually? I don't know.
you also can take that assignment.
Okay. So could you please, whoever is sending you the assignment,
Yes, I will share. I will share.
Okay.
This
Okay,
weekend I will segregate and I will share. Next Monday onwards, daily I will provide assignments. Okay. By solving the assignments, you can get more clarity. Okay.
Okay.
It maximizes the browser window. Example. Maximize. Suppose launching first. Next, driver dot manage dot type W window dot type M maximize. Observe Kamala, no minimize option na, no minimize na.
Yeah. Because first maximize means first.
It launches the browser in minimized status only.
Yeah.
Just run the program. Maximize it na.
Sir.
Just a minute. Sleep. Just for observation. Suppose 5000 milliseconds means 5 seconds. Run the program. See browser launched, minimized. Next, maximize. Next, suppose no minimize method. Whenever you want to minimize, how to minimize? Kamala, try. How to minimize? First I maximized the browser. Again I want to minimize. How? You try navigate back.
Navigate back.
But I think it won't suitable. Just a minute.
Navigate
Dot
back.
I think it won't suitable. Maximized.
It's not working.
Not back. See, that is URL back only. URL back only. Just a minute. Just a minute. Try with refresh. No, it is not refreshing. Now, Preeti.
Yes, sir.
You take this assignment. I want to minimize the browser. After maximize, I want to minimize the browser. Here two options.
Okay.
You write code for minimizing the browser, or suppose in Selenium WebDriver that if that option is not available, then you are helpless. So you check that one, that facility is there or not. If facility is available, how to minimize? You take that assignment by this.
Okay,
You try to complete that assignment by this weekend. Okay. Okay, I'm going to close the session. I introduced important methods. Next, in elements handling in Selenium chapter, we will discuss some more methods, important methods. I think 2 or 3 important methods also available. Rahman, I'm going to close the session. Any queries, Rahman?
No query, sir.
Okay,
We learned a
cool.
lot today. Thank
Cool.
you.
Welcome. Srivalli.
I am good, sir.
Okay. See, we will meet on Monday, same time. Thank you.